Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is an impressive machine that combines power, design, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for adults seeking an adventurous ride. With a robust 1800W peak motor, this e-bike delivers an exhilarating experience, easily tackling steep hills and rough terrains. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is quite exhilarating for those who enjoy a thrill. One of the standout features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its sturdy construction. The aluminum alloy frame not only enhances durability but also keeps the bike lightweight, making it easy to handle. The design is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide range of riders. Moreover, the bike's adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable fit for various heights, a thoughtful touch for diverse riders. The battery life is commendable, featuring a removable 48V18A lithium-ion battery that provides an impressive range of approximately 40 to 60 miles on a single charge. This range makes it ideal for both commuting and leisurely rides without the constant worry of running out of power. The charging process is quick, taking around 5 to 6 hours, which is convenient for daily use. Another highlight is the bike's suspension system, which absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. Coupled with the 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, the Aipas M1 Pro ensures a stable and comfortable experience on various terrains. The front and rear disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during high-speed rides. In terms of technology, the bike features a user-friendly LCD display that shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled, allowing riders to keep track of their performance easily. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike impresses with its combination of power, comfort, and modern features, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their riding experience while enjoying the great outdoors.